Hey guys, hey everyone. So today we are here going to be making Star-Lord from Guardians of the Galaxy. He isn't really even that hard to make. I don't even know how much time it took me to make him. Probably took a while for you guys, but to figure him out and stuff really didn't take that long. Yeah, so this is Star-Lord from Guardians of the Galaxy. Don't think this is another Star-Lord. I don't know what other movie would this guy be named Star-Lord, yeah. Just enjoy the superhero creation. I'm robbing this guy. Hey guys, what is up? We're back making another video. And today we are going to be making Star-Lord from Avengers Infinity War or Guardians of the Galaxy. So Star-Lord isn't really that hard to make, but probably with the other identity of him when he's not in his mask or anything, it's probably the hardest part because you have to think of a lot of other times where Star-Lord wasn't in his superhero form kind of. Yeah, no one would really picture Star-Lord out of his identity. So first for Star-Lord, you would want to put on his name. Put on his name. Name him. His name is Star-Lord in his superhero form, not his real identity. So you want to put that Star-Lord name. I don't know why the heck it's not there. Okay, so once you're done putting Star-Lord and stuff, there it is. For the backstory, you can put whatever you want. I'm just gonna put I don't even know what to put. Member, Guardian. I really don't even put work into the backstory that much. His alignment is good, but he's also kind of chaotic a bit, so you want to do that alignment. It doesn't really matter what the alignment is, actually. So, for his powers, you will want to give him martial arts. The next one you want to give him... Okay, there's the laser rifle. You would want to make the laser rifle black. So next, you would also want to give him flight. Even though Star-Lord doesn't really fly that much, I would just still give him flight anyways. Yeah, that's pretty much it for his powers. There really isn't that much you could probably give him. So, I don't know if he has a grappler. I don't think he has a grapple. Anyways, moving on to skin color. I want to make it this realistic peachy white. Yeah. And then for the death style, you want to make him fall backwards or forwards. It doesn't really matter what you choose for his death style. Yeah. So his transformation style, you can pretty much choose that. I wouldn't recommend fire or smoke because, I'd recommend accession or a spin. Yeah, I'm going to use spin. So for his armor, I'm not gonna really give him any armor because he really just wears a gray jacket and some red under it, so I'm gonna skip to his mask. So for the mask, you would want to put on the no mouth head mask. It's kind of hard to pronounce for some reason. And you would want to make it somewhere in these grays. Let's see. Probably, maybe this one. No, it's either, you can use probably one of these three grades. I don't really even know. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, lots of people don't know this, but you can actually add lenses to your mask. So for the lenses, you click on edit lenses, and then you would make the eyes. Make the eyes for Star-Lord bright red. Yeah, he kind of looks like a bad guy, but he really isn't. He is kind of one, though. I mean, not really, but... Anyways, we're gonna also skip to his suit, because there isn't even that much on Star-Lord, probably give him a full suit and make that maybe this red. And now for pretty much the inside of his suit. So chest armor. Let me just see these. Okay. So for this one, we're gonna add this one, and we're gonna make it this gray. So this gray looks good. Now we're gonna add like the same color on and on. Like you want to make it look as much as Star-Lord's like the inside of his suits as possible. So we're gonna add that also. I don't think Star-Lord has a belt. Okay. So anyways, we're almost done actually already. We're gonna now give him boots. I'm pretty sure he has I'm not even sure what kind of boots he has. I haven't looked at him for a while. I think he has like brown or black boots. I'm gonna give him super boots and make those like pitch black because those kind of go well on him. And I think they go well on him in the movie. Okay, so we're pretty much almost done with Star-Lord. So now we just gotta give him his hair. You can't see his face, so you guys can actually take the mask off, like if you guys know how to do it. So for the hair, I know there's a hair that goes like, yeah, it's this one. So the beautiful hair is the one you would want to use, and you would want to make it like this brown. And I know like he doesn't really have hair over his mask, but he does actually have some if you look closely at his mask. But this one doesn't really sink in with the hat because like it kind of goes over his mask. So yeah. So you want to add that. And now we're almost done here, I think. So now you can pretty much do whatever you want for his face. I don't think he has like, does he have these? I don't think he does. If you did put them on though, it would like glitch over his mask. So I'm not gonna give him any facial hair. I'm gonna make his eyes angry. And I'm also going to make his eyebrows. I'm gonna make his eyebrows neutral actually. And then I'm also going to make his mouth angry also. So they're pretty much done with Star-Lord. Now we just gotta swap the identity. So for this Star-Lord, you would want to name him, I don't even know what his name is actually. You could pretty much just name him his actor name. Oh, no, actually, his name is Peter Quill. How did I not remember that? I don't even know how I didn't remember that. Holy. Okay, so his name is Peter Quill. For the backstory, it's pretty much the same. Everything here is the same. So you can pretty much, it's pretty much simple to make him, like this. So for his shirt, you want to give him a shirt and make it, pretty much a normal shirt. And I'll make it black. I'm not even sure what other identities of Star-Lord are. I haven't even watched, like, any of the Guardians of the Galaxy movies. I mean, I've kind of watched one, but I didn't even watch the whole thing. So I'm not even sure, like, I know for a fact this one was actually in the movie Infinity War. Like, he was wearing a black shirt, and I think he was wearing black pants. I need to probably review Infinity War so that I have a better look of the characters for my future videos. No, actually, I think he was wearing brown or these pants. I can't remember. I'm gonna give him brown pants so that it doesn't look so plain. Now for the shoes, you would want to give him maybe shoes. So you just want to give him shoes. And also, what about sneakers? Sneakers are pretty much the same thing. I'm gonna give him shoes. Okay, so you want to make those black. You can also give him boots. They also look pretty good on him. So yeah. I think we can skip the accessories. I've never seen him wear, at least I've never looked if he had any accessories. I'm gonna maybe give him probably a belt. I'm pretty sure he wore a belt last time I saw. So, yeah, you can, like, choose his accessories and stuff, you know. Oh, wait, you can put on socks? What the heck? Okay. So, you can pretty much keep his... Actually, I'm gonna make his mouth different. So, I'm gonna make it, a happy mouth. The eyebrows don't really go well with that. Let me change those. Gonna make those 2 happy eyebrows. And then, yeah. Now for his hair. So, of course, you would want to give him the beautiful hair. Make that a brown. Hold on. No, he doesn't really have this kind of hair in the real Infinity War. He kind of has, like, not that, not those. Not even... He has, like, the Robo Hunt hair. He has, like, kind of this. The beautiful hair at the same time. I don't know. You guys can comment down below. I'm gonna choose the Robo Hunt hair. I'm not even sure, but it goes... No, yeah, he has the beautiful hair. I thought, like, my mind was just... I just thought that, like, my mind was just telling me that he had the beautiful... No, the Robo Hunt hair. So I'm gonna give him beautiful hair. So, yeah. So you want to add that. And now we're pretty much done with Peter Quill already. So, we're gonna now save and exit. We're gonna try him out. Oh yeah, about the no mask thing, I haven't played this game in quite a while. I mean, I did make a video on it, but I actually didn't look at, like, any of like, these kind of other buttons. So, yeah, his mask, you can actually remove it if you press the 3 lines, like, the 3 lines in the yellow box. So you can take off his mask. You pretty much have to switch his identity to do it, actually. There we go. Yeah, you can remove his mask. So, I froze there. Okay, so you can remove his mask, looks like. Now I'm just gonna put that back on. We're gonna find some people now. There's someone. Oh, what the heck? I'm holding like an assault rifle. This is not even a handgun, I mean, sorry. Oh crap. Oh my gosh, I can't move. I have like no energy right now. Okay. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for Star-Lord.